god. No. No. Does your character stand on 2 legs? Yes. No. Is your character a human? Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Is your character linked with Nintendo? No. 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 Does your character have a last name? No. 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 They're finally they get one right. No. A runner. Does your character have dark hair? No. Does your character have hair? Yes. iPhone or Android app? Yes. Is your character dark skinned? Yes. No. 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 Does your character have human friends? Yes. Does your character have a little brother? I don't have a brother. Did your character have trouble with the law? Don't know. On. Did your character write the Declaration? No. Does your character fight? Probably. Is your character a redhead? I'm not a redhead. You're a redhead. Does your character have human skin? Yes. Does your character wear a lot of black? Oh, hold on. Yes. Is your character a ninja? No. No. Yeah. Does your character speak? No. Does your character have red hair? No. Is your character blonde? No. Yes. No. Does your character... No. Does your character wear green clothes? No. Does your character speak Chinese? I'm Chinese, so yes. Does your character build things? Yes. No. Is character violent? No. Does character wear a bow tie? No. No. Who said not anything about my character dying? You're just messed up. Yes. Is your character friends with Dan TDM? No. Why would I be Roblox? They thought